In Iceland, you don't have to lock your bike. But I recommend it, otherwise it will be stolen. Being black in Iceland is like being Chinese in Africa. Nobody cares, except racists. This is what tourism in Iceland is all about. You come here and sit down and then you think, why didn't I go to Spain? If being sexy was a crime, I would be in jail for tax fraud. Sometimes when I'm walking to work, I stop here and look at the view and realize I'm going in the wrong direction. And also it's Sunday. There's iced tea, but there's no ice hot chocolate, because that's just chocolate. People think rising sea level is because of global warming, but it's not. It's this motherfucker, he's been doing this all day. My girlfriend says she is depressed because of me. It is not true. People all around the world have depression, and they don't even know me. In Iceland, we say, if you kick a man in the balls, he will be in pain for a minute. But if you kiss him on the ballsack, he's gay. They say there are no trees in Iceland, but I'm actually in Italy right now, but we still have them, just smaller and fewer. In Iceland, it is acceptable to drink and drive, as long as it is not on the same day. In 2005, we built a mall here in Iceland, but as you can see, we do not have enough people for a mall. We should have just built a store. In America, they say that if you're not ready to do the time, don't commit the crime. But in Iceland, we just say, don't do the crime. Because nothing rhymes with glæpur. They say that the average erect gorilla penis is approximately 4 centimeters. And I thought maybe we should give starving children food before we measure gorilla dicks. There's a saying in Iceland, if there's fog, you're not able to see as far.